Confession time. I'm lazy. Not the lie on the couch all day kind of lazy, more the don't want to work 12-hour workday kind of lazy. And yet somehow I've made over $300,000 online. In this video, I'm going to show you the laziest, or let's call it the smartest way of building an online business. Even if you tried it before and nothing worked. A few years ago, I was running my beauty salon. I was working from sunrise to sunset. I missed dinners, school events, and although I was working my butt off, I was still broke. I started Googling how to make money online because I knew there should have been a way that your person can work smarter instead of harder, because let's face it, the world is going digital. Now let me tell you, I've tried a lot of side hustles in my life before. I've done blog posts, I've done Canva, designs for other people. I've done a lot of things. I ended up working more, trading more time for money, and still being broke. And although I tried all these side hustles, to be honest, 90% of it didn't even work. When I finally made my first $10,000 online, it wasn't because I was hustling harder. It was because I found a simpler way. I stopped trying to be superwoman and I started using systems. That's how I built over $300,000 online in 20 months as a stay-at-home mom. So when I say the laziest way, I mean the most efficient, leveraged way. Most people think success online is working harder. More posts, more content, more effort, more hours. The truth is, that's exactly why most people burn out. People that are making money online is not working more, they are working smarter. They have built systems to do the heavy lifting for them. Automated funnels, done-for-you products, AI tools, and templates that make it easy. Think about it. You're not going to hand wash your own laundry if there's a washing machine next to it. And yet, many people do this in business. They try and hand wash their business instead of just using systems. Here's a 3-step lazy formula that changed everything for me. It has helped me pay off debt, buy a new house, be a stay-at-home mom, and live life on my terms. Step 1 is start with something that's already done for you. You can save a lot of time and money if you don't have to create your own digital product. And there are thousands of digital products online. So make sure you choose something that you are passionate about. The 3 niches that do very well is health, wealth, and relationships. So you want to choose a digital product in a niche like that. You can go to copecard.com, Digistore24. There are so many ways that you can go and find a digital product, sign up for free, and start earning affiliate commission. Just make sure that you choose a high-ticket product, because let's face it, a $7 planner is not going to change your life. You want to choose a digital product that's between $400 and $1,000 per sale. I personally like a digital product that physically changes someone's life, like a digital product that teaches you how to make money online. Instead of giving people fish, you teach them how to fish, and they can literally transform their life. Another good example is weight loss, because there's a transformation and people are willing to pay for transformation. So instead of selling $7 planners, which you have to sell hundreds and hundreds of for, just make sure you sell a product that's at least giving you $1,000 per sale. Have 10 sales in a month, and that's $10,000 a month. By the way, we are over 5.3 billion people scrolling social media. Do you think you can find 10 people that will buy from you every month? If you know how to do marketing, yes, you can. Step 2 is plug into a system that's already working. You don't have to build your own funnels, write your own emails, or even build a website. When I started with a done-for-you digital system. That is what helped me skip the hard part, and that is why I was able to make my first 6 figures in dollars in 7 months online. Because to be honest, I didn't even know what a funnel was when I started. I just wanted to follow something that was working, that was gonna help me make an extra income from home. So if you start with a done-for-you digital system that's already proven to work and already proven to convert, your chances to success is 100. Now there's a lot of systems that you can use to start. One of them are Standstore, which charges about $97 a month. But I personally love System.io because it's free if you want to get started. I'll link that below. And it's super user-friendly. This system will literally capture all your leads. We'll have a landing page on there so that people can put their email address in. Your sales will happen there. It comes with so many templates. It's super easy to use. Step 3 is you want to automate your marketing. You can schedule your post, use AI to write your captions for you, use templates, and let your systems do the follow-up. This is exactly how you build income that runs while you don't even have to work online. There are 4 steps that I use to do marketing. One is I post 3 times a day to social media. You can do 5 to 7 second short reels. People just want to see you. It's literally while you're drinking your coffee, having a day at the spa or wherever you are, 5 to 7 second reel, have some training audio at the back, have a hook on there, and let just people know about what it is that you offer. Because remember, people are already looking for that online. And the way they find you is through social media, because we are so many people on social media. I mean, think about how many hours are you spending on your phone. Next, what I do is I do like a 30-minute visibility boost. That is commenting, engaging with other people in my niche. And then I always continued with training. I always plug into training systems, plug into a community of people, like-minded people that can help you on your journey. So this might be a lazy way, but efficient, 100%. Now, if you're watching this thinking, that's exactly what I need, Giselle. I need a plug-and-play system that I know is already working, that I can just plug in and follow the steps. That's exactly what I teach in my DMS system. It's digital magnetic system, a system that I created that is the most beginner-friendly system that you can start with. It's built for speed. Someone that doesn't have a lot of time, the funnels, the content, everything's already done. You literally copy, paste, and post. And as you learn about how all this works, you get to earn as well because there's already digital products inside. So if you're tired of working harder without seeing the results that you crave, I'm going to drop that link below. Get my free guide on exactly how this works and how you can get started today. And hey, if this video helped you to see success doesn't have to be a struggle, click that like button and follow for more.